All right, I'm not camera ready, but you don't have to be camera ready when you're doing the work of whatever, humanity, whatever. Data centers is a global issue. White House eyes data center agreements amid energy spike. Okay, so I have no idea if this is going to work yet, but one of the models for Ollama, so you've heard of Obama phone? Well, welcome to Ollama AI, but it's not just about Ollama. Oh, look at this. Is it recording my thing? Oh, it's responding. Oh, look at that. So it's slow. It's running really slow, but it's running. This will work. I'm going to add a document. I'm going to see this is out the box. I have not done any customizing to it yet or anything. Actually, just to see if it'll read this. What does this say? And I'm sure I can download something that'll give it the ability to look at pictures, but let's see what happens. Oh, here we go. I like how it talks about its logic as it goes. I gotta find, if it would read pictures, I could ask it about my actual MRIs to go into detail about what a brainstem, what a medulla is, which I know what it is. Can you tell me if people can die from brainstem lesions on the medulla with MS? I would just go and lay back down because obviously in a perfect world, so like if these were going to be built for small businesses, for example, they'd have to probably run faster than this, which I would imagine they could on the proper hardware. I don't have the right, because I'm poor, but you know, businesses might be able to get loans for better computers to run this without destroying the world. Right? There'd still be a power bill, but you have that with computers anyway. You can get applications where you can make your graphics and your music right from your home computer without signing up for a service. Cirrhosis lead to death. Short answer, yes. No, not an although. Yes, I don't care if it's relatively uncommon. I kind of happen to be a very uncommon person in every way, shape, or form. Well, wait a minute. I like how it even makes the little charts here. It's kind of exciting. AI Claude code. Wait a minute. I don't know if it's going to work, but how do I get it? Data set. Oh, all kinds of MRIs. Look at that. I could put my own MRIs into stuff. I could make my own model. Well, it's at least I got some direction here. I've got a base model installed and I got to do some learning. But I think I need a nap and a rest first. And again, I'm just trying to move towards a world where for the home user, again, because obviously people need to be able to understand their own MRIs, but so do doctors and all that stuff. So a more balanced world where there's something that the home user can access without destroying the planet. If you got a home computer and you like technology and stuff like that, and you're kind of clever-ish, even if you've never done programming before and you've just tinkered with like GPT, go and download Ollama. Like that stuff isn't that hard. If you can run like Google Docs and things like that, chances are you could probably learn just the basics of Ollama and enough to like get something for the home use. And it might run kind of slow, but with that slowness, you're actually, well, how did Mastering Alchemy put it? The slower you go, the faster you get there. And let's just say that it's going to, like, the faster you get to a happiness and, the saving the planet or whatever.